Are you feeling stressed out? Are you feeling cornered in the current situation? A lot of people have been calling me saying that I really don't know whether to work. I really don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm doing it. A lot of people have been calling up saying I'm stressed, I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling upset, I'm feeling frustrated. Who's going to get you out of this situation? There's only one person who can get you out of this situation. That person is you and only you. So wake up, lift yourself up, dust yourself, and walk on your path. Remind yourself what purpose you had set. Why are you working? Why are you doing the things that you want to do? Why are you working on a daily basis? What was your goal in life? What was your ambition in life? Remind yourself and continue walking on that path. Commit to people openly. Commit to various people, telling them what goals you have set and how you plan to achieve them. Committing publicly helps us achieve various goals. It helps us achieve them in a far more effective manner. Simply because we are too bothered about our reputation. Cross train, upskill your mind, learn new things, use this lockdown period, use this COVID time to pursue various courses, use this COVID time to learn new things, use this to sharpen your brain, use this to develop your body, use this situation to do all the things which you've been putting aside, which you've been setting aside for a long period of time. Use the period to de-stress. You have an opportunity at hand. How many times have you wondered when you want to Netflix and chill? How many of the times have you wondered when you actually want to take that meditation course? How many times have you wondered, I want to do yoga, but there's really no time? Do it now. Take up all those courses. Work towards your mental de-stressing at this point of time. Do not get lethargic. Do not let this lockdown, do not let this situation get the better out of you. Keep doing something. Keep moving. Keep exercising. Keep learning something new. Do anything but do not get lethargic. Find a companion. Find somebody who you are comfortable with. Find somebody to talk to. This is the best time to network. Call your friends. Call your relatives whom you've lost touch with. Rekindle your old relations. Rekindle your lost relations. Find people whom you can talk to. Find people whom you can de-stress with. Find people whom you can chill with. Find people whom you can network with. Find people whom you can grow with after this lockdown. Remember, the only person who can get you effectively out of this situation, the only person who can effectively get you out of this mental state, the only person who can elevate your frustration, who can throw your frustration away, the only person who can get you out of this entire grave that you feel you have dug yourself into or situations have dug yourself into is only and only you. So wake up and take action.